There is a quiet pain many people carry. It doesn't come from what is happening today. It comes from a sentence, "If only I had." That keeps echoing in the mind. If only I had chosen differently. If only I had spoken up. If only I had started sooner. Psychology says regret is the brain's way of trying to learn from pain. But when regret goes too far, it stops teaching and starts imprisoning. 1. They replay the same moments. The mind returns to specific decisions. A relationship. A career choice. A missed opportunity. It keeps searching for a better ending. But no amount of replaying can change the outcome. 2. They compare reality to an imaginary life. People who regret their past often picture the life they should have had. More success. More money. More happiness. But they are comparing their real life to a perfect story that never existed. 3. They judge their younger self unfairly. Today, they know more. They are wiser. But years ago, they made the best decision they could with the knowledge they had. Wisdom always arrives after experience. 4. They fear their chance is gone. Regret whispers, "You are too late." But life does not end because one chapter went wrong. Some of the strongest people rebuild after losing decades. 5. They struggle to forgive themselves. This is where healing begins. Not when the past changes, but when they stop punishing themselves for being human. Your mistakes were expensive, but they were also teachers. And teachers are meant to be learned from, not carried forever. The past has already taken enough. Do not let it steal the years that still belong to you. If this spoke to you, subscribe for more videos on psychology, mindset, and human behavior. Because sometimes the most important decision you make is choosing to move forward.